Hi, this is Alan at Ripperden Resources LLC, and today I want to announce one of our latest products, and that's Packout and Wall mount mounts for the Milwaukee 2522 Cut Off Tool. We will offer these mounts in our standard colors and for Packout in red and black. Likewise, the wall mounts will be in red and black. The Cut Off Tool mount has several features that we built into it. First, just like all of our other Packout mounts, it will lock into place on the Packout wall using these securing tabs. So to mount it onto the wall, simply push it into place and push it down. You'll hear it snap and it's locked into place. To remove it, you simply push in on the tabs and pull up and out. We have a slot here to store extra cutting wheels. We also have a slot on the side that will hold your 7/16 bushing. And then we also put a place to put your hex wrench right here on the side. The tool can be installed on the mount with the shoe in place. You'll want to line up the sides of the shoe with two guides here on the mount. Once you line those up, the tool will just fall into place and it's secured. It's not going to go anywhere. To remove the tool, just simply pull up. If you don't want the shoe mounted to the tool, you can remove it and you can still install the tool onto the mount. Simply line it up and drop it into place. The wall mount works exactly the same way. We've got the storage for the accessories on the side. We just have added holes, 3 holes on the top and 3 holes on the bottom, that'll accept a number 10 or a 5mm fastener to secure it to the wall. We have these in stock. They're ready to order today at ripperdenresources.com. At Ripperden Resources LLC, we bring your vision into reality with precision 3D scanning, advanced 3D design and modeling, and high-performance 3D printing. From concept to production, we work with materials ranging from consumer grade to ultra-high performance and flame retardant filaments. If you want to bring your additive manufacturing capabilities in-house, we sell professional 3D scanners, high-temperature printers, and filaments. Contact us today on our website, ripperdenresources.com. Email us at info@ripperdenresources.com. Or call us today at 940-273-9713.